Hello everybody. I would like to do a quick rundown of the parts and assembly of my modular enclosure system, specifically designed for 3D printing. Go over the parts that I have here. I've got side pieces. I've got two separate ones here. One is just a plain generic side. The other is got a pass-through for power cord. Corner pieces, connector pieces that slot into your corners and your sides, help align and hold everything together. Hinges, this is a lift-off hinge style. The bottom hinge, which screws into the side pieces, top hinge, which this one is designed for a 1/8 inch thick door panel. And then the screws for the hinge, this is just a 5mm by 40mm pin. To assemble everything, got these number 8 wood lath screws. This one is 3/4 inch long. That will be the majority of the screws needed for assembly. And then there's 1 1/4 inch long for attaching the hinge, the bottom hinge pieces to the frame. We'll go over quick assembly. Connector pieces fit in the slots on the side. Line up the hole. Got 2 holes in them. Put your screw in. You can see that the hole lines up pretty spot on. I guess I designed this pretty okay. There's a little bit of flex in the pieces there. Once you get the side panels on, as all these holes are screw in your side panels. Again, designed to use the same number 8 3/4 inch screws. The hinge piece attaches to there. Same thing. Use your longer screw. Pin fits in there. This is a slightly looser fit that allows for your door to open and close.